You don't actually need any skills to get started with affiliate marketing because you'll learn those skills along the way. So in this video, I want to show you a strategy, and that strategy starts with traffic. Now, traffic is simply a topic. It's something that you're going to talk about. An offer is simply an offer to help someone. An offer that is an affiliate link or is a product that you're an affiliate for where you'll earn a commission. People inside of the top strategy actually stands for exactly what it says. People, adding people to a list. Again, we're starting with 0 skills. We will get there. We'll start with a topic, which will become traffic over to an offer. And in this video, we're going to start very simply by looking at finding a topic. List of hobbies over at Google. This is a list of hobbies. These are topics that you can talk about. And you simply start here by thinking of a list of hobbies, something that I would be interested in or something that will hold my interest, because remember, this is something that you will be talking about. You will be creating content on this topic that will become traffic. So let's take a look even further at this idea and think of some indoor hobbies, something we can do 24/7, 365 days a year, no matter the weather. And it can be done in a controlled environment, because as we learn these skills that we're going to develop by creating this content and sharing this content, specifically in this case, my example is always YouTube, because it is the best place to get started. In my opinion, and from what I've done myself, it is the best place to get started. So 70 best indoor hobbies to try out. You can see a list of them here. Of course, this one, play games on the Wii or Nintendo Switch, is gaming. It's been done to death. But check this out. Scrapbook, or down here, more specifically, scrapbooking. Pop over to Google, scrapbooking ideas, supplies, Amazon, kits, websites, online hobby, shop. Take a look at the videos inside of that same search for scrapbooking. These are all YouTube videos, which again, it takes me to my recommendation for scrapbooking on YouTube. Scrapbooking with me, scrapbooking made simple, scrapbooking for beginners. In this case, even if you don't have or know anything about scrapbooking, this could be something you could do. This could be a skill that you could learn. This could be a journey that you could go on and share with an audience as you build them. And then it takes me back to this concept of traffic. The topic that you picked in this case, we went and found a list of hobbies. We found scrapbooking. Now, this is just an example. Scrapbooking may not be the thing you pick, but it is a way to start. It is a way to start understanding the skill set that you need to move forward to actually get started with affiliate marketing, starting with the top strategy and traffic. Traffic is simply a topic. Traffic is content you're going to create to show people and help them learn how to do, in this case, in this example, scrapbooking. It's going to go over to an offer. That offer is going to be the offer that you're going to provide them, or the offer you're going to give them the opportunity to buy when they click your affiliate link to earn a commission. Where are you going to do that? There's a link in the description. You can go over to a site called ShareASale. ShareASale, real quickly, is just an affiliate network. It is a marketplace like Amazon where people sell products. In this case, we go to ShareASale. Once we log in, that link's in the description to open up your account. Scrapbooking. Here you can see scrapbooking. You can see some details that you need to learn. Again, start simple and understand that you are just picking a topic, and in this topic, you are going to learn everything about it, and then you're going to share what you learn, and then you're going to share offers that solve the problems that you identify for people that want to learn more about scrapbooking, just like you are. Then you look at this information. 10%, that's the commission you're going to earn. Then you're going to see this next piece of information that is super important. EPC, earnings per click. Every time someone clicks on your link, these are the earnings you will earn on average if they make a purchase, $35.35. There are other offers here in this list. You can simply come here to ShareASale. Again, the link is in the description. Sign up for your account and check out all these offers for scrapbooking. But let's focus here on this first offer from scrapbook.com. You can see here, scrapbook.com is a simple program that teaches people how to scrapbook. They are an authority in this niche. They are an authority in this topic. You could literally go to scrapbook.com to get ideas, not just ideas for offers for you to offer as an affiliate, but ideas for you to create content, to generate traffic inside of the top strategy. After you pick your topic of scrapbooking, you simply come here and you will see that they have a blog. In this blog, it's going to show you everything you need to know about Slimeline cards. What are Slimeline cards? I have no idea. This is your topic. This is a topic you picked. This is a topic that you're going to learn everything about and share information that is going to lead people over to the offer, because they're going to be interested in knowing everything and understanding what a Slimeline card does for them when they're doing scrapbooking. The fascinating history of scrapbooking. There's an article up here, Are You Doing It Right? The Definitive Guide to Organizing Craft Supplies. Look at that. Think about that idea real quick. Organizing craft supplies. Supplies are going to be needed for scrapbooking. Any hobby you pick out there, from pickleball to golf to scrapbooking. Again, back the idea that we saw about playing video games, buying the video games and accessories. In this idea, we have found something unique, or might be unique to you and might be super simple to get started with, because you can do it inside, and it's something that you could buy some supplies, show people easily how to do it and get started. Again, it's just an example, but it is a hobby. And we found it very simply just by going to Google and finding a list of hobbies. That topic becomes traffic, and we simply drive that traffic or use that content to become the traffic that drives people over to the offer, just like we found over on ShareASale, where we can make 10% and earn up to $35 for every person that clicks and makes a purchase. And that's how you earn commissions. That's how you start an affiliate marketing business. That's how you start making money online. Even if you have zero skills right now, those skills will be developed. And it all starts with the top strategy and the idea of the 3 simple concepts of traffic, offer, people. And of course, traffic is a simple idea of picking a topic and creating content around that topic, and then simply having them click on your affiliate link. The people that you're helping, that becomes your audience. They click on your link, you earn a commission. It's just that simple. If you'd like to see exactly how I do this on YouTube and the tools I use, as well as one marketplace that I use to get this done, then you can click the link in the description. It'll take you over and you can see exactly what I do, how I do it, all the tools I use, and you can see how to start from 0 skills and move towards learning the skills one skill at a time as you build your online business using affiliate marketing. Link in the description for the top strategy. Check it out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.